some illegal taxes by a group saying they are chankering for Baba, probably to put up a hotel in Malindi, Madam Speaker. So, Madam Speaker, as much as we speak, and that is shame, Madam Speaker, as much as we condemn police, we must condemn hooligans who have taken law onto their hands, Madam Speaker.
Hold on, Honorable Hillary. Honorable Jeanette, what is out of order?
Madam Chair, I'm on a point of order. Madam Chair, you know, Honorable Kiplang'At from Kiplang'At is not a new member. Like the way I will keep quiet when new members are learning the ropes. Madam Chair, this is a man who's serving second term. Well, Madam Speaker.
What is out of order?
When he's, this is a House of Records, Madam Speaker. When he's raising such kind of allegations that taxes are being collected of 70,000, in the standing order, there's the standing order of relevance, Madam Speaker. What relevance that has got to do with police brutality, Madam Speaker? Unless he is the goon who's instructing them what to do, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, if you don't guide this debate in relevance, to relevance, Madam Speaker, then people are going to speak here about their land, their farms, their potatoes and everything, Madam Speaker. Let us discuss issues pertaining to police brutality. That's all.
Thank you. Honorable members, the motion is very clear that what Honorable Rosa Bui brought to this House is across the country. So you also cannot gag honorable members. That is why Dr. Ombaka will speak about Siaya, someone else will speak about Mombasa, because it is part of the context. So unless someone is totally out of order, let us give members chances to finish so that everyone can have the chance to talk. Honorable Hillary. Hillary, do you want to be informed by the leader of majority?
Yes, by my leader, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Speaker, I just wanted to inform Honorable Hillary that he was quite in order. Because indeed, the honorable leader of minority, the whip of the minority, has indeed confirmed what Hillary was saying. He is not denying the fact that there are people collecting illegal taxes. He had only a problem with relevance. And therefore, Honorable Hillary, let me inform you that you are perfectly in order. There are cartels in this country using violence and anarchy to collect illegal taxes. And they must be dealt with.
Order. Leader of majority, we have already guided. Please, Honorable Hillary, continue.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. And I want to just inform my friend, Honorable Jeanette, that I was using this point exactly to justify why it was necessary for police to come and deal with these criminal gangs. And Madam Speaker, in conclusion, I want to urge the police, the Inspector General of Police, not to blink and to deal and quell with all criminal networks, not necessarily in the Luo Nyanza, but in the entire Republic, and bring order. Thank you, Madam Speaker. Yes.
The member has already wound up. Your time is up. Leader of